Hello, everyone. Hello, beautiful world. I know I didn't post a makeup video yesterday or today because life has been lifing, but I sure appreciate all the love and support regardless of my posting. Things are still moving and going up. We hit over 10,000 subscribers. I mean, oops, not over 10,000 subscribers, over 10,000 views. My bad. Oh, if I hit over 2,000, 10,000 subscribers, honey child, I'm gonna make sure that's on the news, honey. Everybody gonna know about that. But nonetheless, I'm still encouraging people to get on YouTube. It's really working for me, and not only that, it's really therapeutic. Sharing about your day, sharing your creativity, sharing just things that are helpful to people. It is truly, 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 truly a blessing to have this platform. So, life has been lifing. I had some important appointments today, and I want to let you all know as long as you're doing what you need to do to be, to have peace and to be a source of good light and energy in this world, as long as you're doing those things and what you need to do not be discouraged. Do not let opinions, do not let drama, do not let any of those things take you off your square, take you off your course. Stay the course. If you have goals and dreams that you want to achieve, write it down and make it plain. Take one step each day towards your goals and your dreams. I vowed to myself that I will give myself at the least 1 hour a day towards something that I believe in, towards something that's unorthodox, something that's not on everybody else's schedule, but it's on mine. And it's okay. It's okay to have ideas. It's okay to support others. It's okay to dream. It's okay to be outside of the box. It's okay to be different. It's okay to want more. It's all okay. And you don't owe an explanation to the world about having dreams and having goals and wanting more and wanting to succeed. You don't owe an explanation to anyone for that. And if you are a believer, everything in your course will work towards the good. And don't forget that. Don't forget that. Just do right. Keep your side of the street clean. Treat people how you want to be treated, no matter how they treat you. If you have enough to share, share it. Doesn't matter if someone gives something to you. Doesn't matter if they've done something for you. Do what you can. Always do what you can for your fellow man. And always keep your morals as a baseline. Do not compromise your morals and your integrity for the world, to please the world. You're going to lose every time like that. So hold your head up. Work on your goals and your dreams. And march into your new successful path. You can do this. We can do this. We are doing this right now. I'm not sure what this year will bring, but one thing I can say is I'm happy to have y'all. Through thick and thin, we will get through this year. I know groceries are getting high, sky high, but it's no different. Remember when we went through the gas crisis and things just got high out the clear blue sky? But you know what we did? We found a way to navigate through it. We found a way to hold the line and stay steadfast and strong. And I believe that this is going to pay off. I believe that it's only a matter of time. One thing is for certain, And two things is for sure. I can't stop and won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop, rock it till it rock. Hey, get down, get down. Hey, hey, don't stop. If you got to be your hype man, if you have to amp yourself up, do it. So, I have some updates for you. I have big things coming up and big things going on. I'm building pages for people because I figured out the algorithm a little bit and it's working out and it's getting momentum. People have reached out and I don't mind helping. So, I'm helping different people with their page analytics and different things like that. I have some events coming up that I'm going to take you along with me on that journey. Don't worry, you'll have all the updates. I don't intend to move on without you. You'll come along with me. And I'm appreciative of that. I'm thankful that you all are so loyal. And I would appreciate if you subscribe. Please subscribe. It only takes 1 second, just the click of a button, and then you'll have all the updates whenever you want them. I appreciate the views. I do. And I need the views. I'm not doing this just for the views. But when you do something, you do want to see results and you want it to pay off. And it is paying off. I thank you. I really appreciate you. Let's see where this goes. I believe it's going to go super far. It's already, in 3 weeks, I've gotten over 10,000 views. I've gotten views in Indonesia, Africa, Canada, the United Kingdom, and the United States. And they didn't just view, I'm getting comments and support from Africa. I'm learning how to develop my page better from people in Africa who have pages. Like, they've reached out. It's amazing. This is an amazing tool. You have to use it wisely, but use the tool. That's why it's there. We have amenities and tools in our life that are here to make things easier. This is making life easier for me. This daily journal, whether it's makeup, whether it's thrifting, whether it's date chronicles that I'm going to bring you, whether it's story time, I'm definitely going to tell you my story, whether it's news or current events, I'm vlogging it. I'm vlogging it. It's coming up here. Now, don't lay all your business in the street. Keep some stuff for yourself. Keep some stuff to yourself. Everything does not need to be said. But if it's valuable and it's helpful to others, go for it. That's what I'm doing. And it's amazing how when you spread positivity, it is so amazing how much positivity comes back to you. It's amazing how I've had unexpected blessings. It's amazing how I've built a circle just from sharing a little part of me with the world. Aren't you excited? I'm super excited. I hope you're excited for me because I am super duper duper excited. Okay, so I have more tea for you. If you do have a page in your YouTube studio, the area that has your page description, your tags, your links, make sure you put a link to your Facebook. Make sure you put a link to your TikTok, your Instagram. Make sure you put a link if you have a website, and it will feed. It's being fed out to your viewers and your subscribers. Also, even though TikTok is going away, use it before it's done. Use it to funnel people to YouTube. Use Facebook to funnel people to YouTube. Use Instagram to funnel people to YouTube. YouTube has the most structured business model for social media, and it has the most stable results for social media. Other sites are somewhat unstable. I don't like the way Facebook doesn't give you a clear plan on how to get random followers to or random people to view your content. It's kind of hard. And YouTube is more structured in a sense. It lays out the pathway that you have to follow, and it tells you how long it's taking you to do it, and it tells you what's working for your page and what's not, and it tells you who's watching and who's not, and it gives you the demographics on your audience and all those things. What I don't like with the Facebook monetization is it's centered around you having to pay. It's centered around you eventually buying an ad to boost a post. YouTube just boosts a post based on you knowing the algorithm. YouTube just boosts posts based on the effort that you put in. Whereas Facebook is trying to get you to pay to have viewers. That's not good. That's not good. See, YouTube is better. They make money when I make money. And I make the majority of the money when it comes. I'm not monetized yet. I'm just telling you how it works. YouTube makes money when you make money, whereas Facebook wants you to spend money to make money. I'm not in a space where I'm comfortable or am willing to pay Facebook to share my intellectual property. This is my intellectual property. They should be paying me for ideas, not me paying them to share ideas. And that's what I love about YouTube. They don't make you pay them to share ideas. They just, they want you to go viral. When you go viral, they get more sponsors. When they get more sponsors, you get monetized. It's a give-take thing with YouTube, but you don't have to give money, and you don't have to do those things up front for things to work out for you. I'm telling you, this is a good platform. This is a platform that you really, really need to subscribe to. And just all the silly things that's on TikTok, you can still do that on YouTube. But wouldn't you like to do some content that's reaching somebody that needs to be reached? Dance videos, you can do those on YouTube. Challenges, AI, all the things. You can do all those things on YouTube. You just have to be consistent. Consistency is the key. But I have found that it is harder and slower to try this on Facebook. I don't know if the platform is dying. And then on top of that, it's not a safe platform. People are creating dummy accounts and fake accounts and hijacking accounts. Whereas with YouTube, you really don't have those problems because the content is you all the time, directly coming to people live and in person. It's not just words. It's not just pictures that someone can lift off your page. YouTube has more protection from someone duplicating your content, and you have more rights to fight against people copying and stealing your content on YouTube. So if you don't take anything else from this conversation, just take this. Make a page. Make your settings comply with the algorithm, and let the algorithm do your work. That's all. That's it. It's not difficult. It's not a long thing. And as far as me, I'm enjoying this. I'm in awe. I have views on every video I have. Multiple views on every video I have, and I've only been posting since December 16th. That is amazing to me. My subscribers have doubled. That's amazing to me. No, I don't have hundreds or thousands yet, but I'm on a trend. I'm on a wave. It's going in that direction. And if you don't believe me, look at my page analytics. I'm over 10,000 views in a few weeks. How on earth would I have ever reached 10,000 people by word of mouth or by Facebook? Really? Tens of thousands of people? That's a lot of people that you don't know that are all across the world, not just in your general location. This is a great platform, and I think you should take advantage of it as I am. I appreciate all your support. I appreciate you viewing this video. I appreciate you subscribing to this page. Stick with me. Stick with me. I'm not going to leave you, and I don't want you to leave me. Stick with me on this ride. Let's see where it goes. You have a wonderful night. God bless you. Take care. Be safe. Stay warm. And come back to the page. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks.